Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to install the micro SD card and the battery in your GoPro Hero Black 8. And if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Every Day. And we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing, it would really help me out. But let's get right into it and show you how to install that battery and the memory card. Alright, so I've got my GoPro Hero 8 Black here and we're looking for the side of the GoPro opposite of the logo that says 8 Black. You're going to find a ridge here at the bottom that when you push down on it, an orange stripe appears. And when that orange stripe appears, you know that the door on the side of the GoPro is unlocked. Behind that door, you are going to find the memory card slot here, as well as the main compartment for the battery. So to make sure you're putting the memory card in the correct direction, this is the direction of the memory card compared to the GoPro. So let's go ahead and install that memory card. You can place it gently in the tray. And this tray is spring-loaded, so when you push on the memory card, it will come back towards you. But go ahead and push it in all the way until you hear a small click and the memory card will stay in place. If you're having trouble pushing the memory card in, you could also use something like a retracted ballpoint pen to push it into place. I have also found it's much easier to put the memory card in when the battery is not in the GoPro. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. This is the direction that you hold the battery in comparison to the GoPro. So go ahead and slide the battery into the battery compartment all the way until it's flush. Pops right into place. Now to remove the battery and memory card, just go ahead and pull on the tab on the back side of the battery and it'll come right out. And for the memory card, because it is spring-loaded, you have to give it a little bit of a push. It'll pop out a little bit and then you can pull it right out. So I also wanted to show you this GoPro official mount that I purchased. It's a GoPro Shorty mini extension pole. It's super handy, probably my favorite GoPro accessory. It's nice and compact, or if you want to use it as a selfie stick, you can use it like that. And it also has a tripod built into the bottom. So if you want to just put it on your desk, you can do that. It'll stand there. Just fold it up, film really quickly. It's super cool. I'll put a link below in the description if you want to pick one of those up from Amazon. It's an affiliate link. Go check that out. Also, if this video did help you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Every Day because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.